If you've ever wanted to organize your chats, files, and ideas inside Claude in a much smarter way, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to use Claude Projects step by step so you can create a dedicated workspace for a specific task, client, topic, or workflow. This is a great feature if you want to keep everything in one place instead of repeating the same instructions over and over again in every chat. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Claude AI in your browser and sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your details and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're inside Claude, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find your main navigation options, including chats and projects. Now, click on Projects in the left sidebar. This will open the Projects area, where you can manage existing projects or create a brand new one. Claude projects are especially useful when you want to keep a set of instructions, documents, and conversations focused on one goal. Next, click the plus New Project button. This starts the setup process for your new project space. A pop-up or setup panel should appear, giving you the option to name your project and add a short description. In the project name field, type a clear and specific name. Try to choose something that makes it easy to recognize later, like client research, blog drafting, or YouTube script ideas. Then, in the description field, add a short explanation of what this project is for. This helps keep everything organized and makes it easier to remember the purpose of the workspace. Once your name and description are filled in, click Create Project. Claude will then generate your new project and take you into the project workspace. From there, you can begin adding context, uploading files, and starting conversations that stay connected to that specific project. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a Claude project in just a few simple steps. This is one of the easiest ways to make Claude more organized and more powerful for ongoing work. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.